Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this purple glitter liner cut crease. I think it's really pretty, just like I think about all of my looks. It does have glitter in the crease, and if you guys don't like glitter, then go ahead and skip that step, and I'm sure the look will look just as good without the glitter. And I feel like all of my upcoming looks are going to have glitter, being that it's holiday season, and I feel like for the holidays you want to add glitter, you want that glam, you want that drama, you want to sparkle. At least I do, so that's why I'm going to be adding a lot of more glitter looks. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. And today I did use the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This palette doesn't have names for the eyeshadows, so just so you guys know, for reference, I did use this palette. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate that. But let's go ahead and get into this look. Okay, let's start off by going into this purple right here, and we're gonna put this in our transition area. I did get a bit in my outer V, but you want to focus it in your transition area. Now I'm going in with this darker purple, and I'm going to put this in my crease as well as my outer V. As you guys can see, I did go back with the previous brush just to help everything blend out better. And as you guys can see, everything started to go downhill. I made a mistake and put some concealer in my crease, but luckily it's just concealer, so all you have to do is blend it out and add a little bit more shadow on top of it, and it's gone. Now I'm going to cut my crease. I was trying to blend out my outer V, but I put more concealer, but luckily, as I said before, it's just concealer, so all I had to do was add some more shadow. Now I'm applying my lid color, which is this champagne frosty color. And then with the first purple color, I'm going to apply that where my outer V and my lid shades meet, just so that can blend nicely. And now I'm going to use this glitter from Revlon. I really like these things. I'm going to actually go back and get the rest of them. I already have about 3, I believe, but I'm going to use this glitter, and I'm going to apply that glitter in my crease, and you want to be really careful with this. I wish this product actually had a better applicator, because it really doesn't. I don't like the applicator that it comes with. Then you could go ahead and do your wing liner and pop on some lashes. And right here, I'm just applying both of those purples that I used. I'm putting both of those purples on my lower lash line. I'm also putting on some mascara, and that's pretty much it. The look is complete. I really struggled with this look, but it all came together in the end. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to go ahead and tell a friend to come on over to my channel and hit that subscribe button as well. But I will see you guys in my next one.